Hi guys, Badges at Home has come to an end unfortunately, but not to worry, because all the leaders in both districts have skills of their own. Over the next few weeks, leaders will be posting videos on our YouTube page to help you earn your normal badges. Any evidence from these videos that you do will be needed to hand it into your own leaders. And today's video, I'm going to be making volcanoes with you. For this, we're going to need tape, cardboard, a bottle, some different coloured tissue paper or paint, and most importantly, you're going to need the glue. First of all, you will need to glue your bottle to a cardboard base, as follows. Next, start to tape bits of cardboard all the way around your bottle in the shape of a volcano. Now all that's done, it's time to get out your paints or your tissue paper and decorate. Have fun with this bit, guys. Right, now it's time for the eruption. Inside the volcano is baking soda. In the jug you have vinegar, water, washing up liquid and food colouring. So you pour the mixture into the volcano.